911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, there's someone in my house.
Okay, sir, we need a description.
It's a girl.
Do you like her?
LOL, maybe.
Oh my god, I wonder where his zodiac sign is.
Oh, she's for sure a Scorpio.
Purr, go talk to her.
I don't know, I'm kind of nervous.
Okay. I wonder why she's breaking into your house.
I know, right? Like, if you're broke, just say that.
Period.
Oh my god, wait, she's walking up to me. I'm freaking out.
Okay, girl, you got this. Don't freak out.
Hey, cutie.
Oh, fuck! She shot me in my nutsack!
Oh my god, that's giving Gemini.
I know, right? That's what I was thinking.
Right?